Many comments are received from viewers saying, "Brother, I have installed the game is in an SSD, but it's still stuttering in some situation." So basically, that's the issue you guys are facing, because although your game will load faster by installing it in an SSD, there are other factors that also have an impact. In this video, while considering all expectations, I will tell you the main point, but as usual, there are two things that are very important to make sure of. Number one, your game should be on an SSD drive. Number two, we will discuss the second point later. Let's first look at point number three, drivers. Now many people are like that who don't update their drivers, and mostly these are AMD GPU users. Now finding drivers for older AMD GPUs can be quite difficult, but I have a solution for that too, CC Cleaner, which will update all your drivers in its free versions. I will explain step by step, but point number 2 is very important. Kindly keep listening to it, but let's try to fix the driver issues first and update them. How you can do that? First of all, you need to open any browser. After browser, search for CC Cleaner and open the website. I will provide the link in the description, so it will be easier for you to directly open the CC Cleaner website. Okay, it's paid version, but we need a free version. Again, I'm just saying, click on the download CC Cleaner. Once you click on that, scroll down a bit, and here you will see free version, which allow you to privacy protection, PC health, and then that's it. With trial version, if you wanna try this one as a trial version, the professional version, which will allow you all these aspect, as you can see here, drivers update. So we are going here with the trial version. Don't worry, we are not gonna buy this. For the first 14 days you can try this for free, and after that, if you want, you can just pay for it. Otherwise, you can just uninstall it. So here we are. After downloading, just open it. Once you open the file, a pop-up will appear. Just click on yes and it will start installing. Once you are here, just click on the customize, and here's few things. If you want to know about these things, you can just tweak here. Otherwise, click on more. You can choose the specific location. I'm installing it just for myself, not for my other users, and then click on next. Now click on install. That's it, guys. Now uncheck this option. If you want, you can read, otherwise just uncheck this and click on the run CC Cleaner. Now here's the main step. Just click on the trial version, start my trial version. Now for first 14 days you can use this, and after that, if you want, you can pay for it. Otherwise, you can uninstall it and go on the free version, but I guess it will automatically convert on a free version. Don't worry about that. Now there's a lot of things you can do. First, you can also optimize your PC, and it will work really good. If you want some custom cleanup settings, you can just watch these settings as well. And if you want to watch a complete tutorial, I will provide the link in the description, so you can completely overlook on this software. Right now we are simply going on the drivers update, and then click on continue. Now, is updating safe? Yeah, of course. Just click on that. How does it work? Everything is mentioned over here. Just click on next. Scan your drivers. Yeah, so right now we are scanning our outdated drivers. If there's anyone, we can update it. As you can see here, connectivity drivers, just check it and update all. And currently my graphic drivers are up to date, so that's why it's not popping up over here, but this one is not updated, so I just check this one and click on the update drivers. It will take only a few seconds depending on your internet's performance, and after that you can restart your PC and your problem should be solved 100%. Anyways, right now I'm just minimizing this one because it's downloading, and then it will install automatically without getting any error. Almost it's done. Now it's installing, right? Okay, let's move on the further aspect. As you can see, update complete successfully. I did not pay anything, and my job, this software job has done. Now minimize this one. Let's move on the other steps. Step number 2, which is very important, OS. Now, two things related to the OS play a very important role. The second point is about the OS is that your Windows should be up to date, because whenever a latest patch for a game or program arrives, it comes according to the OS. So whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, I'm not talking about Windows 7 or 8, because you won't get any more updates for them. They are already outdated operating systems. So keep your Windows 10 or Windows 11 updated. For that, I'm using Windows 11 right now, but same steps are for Windows 10. Just click on the Windows icon and search for settings and open the settings. Once you open the settings and Windows 11, you will see here the Windows update, and same things you will find in Windows 11 in settings. Maybe interface a bit different, but it's almost same. And then you will see here the check for updates. Just click on it, and if there's any update available, it will automatically start downloading. Make sure update your Windows to the latest version, right? And but the main point here is about stuttering. That's your OS must be installed on an SSD drive for low latency and stable performance, because although your game will load faster due to being installed on an SSD, your operating system Windows 10 or Windows 11 is also operating it. And if your OS loading slowly or is installed on an HDD, you will face issues. That's why you should also install the OS on an SSD and install the game or program on an SSD too, so that both can provide stable performance and low latency. Secondly, I got a question, a comment. Let me show you pop up. So here it is, sir, which is good if I put data PUBG on drive C OS or drive D, all same SSD? Or you know which is better with low latency and less stutter, drive C or drive D? So if both are SSD, as I mentioned, like if you have both SSD drive C and D, so if Windows is installed on C, is it necessary to install the game on the same SSD drive, or can it be installed on drive D, which is also an SSD? So the answer is yes, no problem, you can install the game on any SSD drive, but both the game and Windows should be on an SSD drive, even if they are on separate drives. I hope today's videos was helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask them in the comment sections. As you know, we work based on viewer suggestions, so kindly drop your feedback, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you never miss any upcoming videos guide. Until then, take care, bye bye.